with y'all too. But you ain't riding for the hood no more?
Cool.
Yo, man, this ain't no damn math quiz. You riding or not?
Yeah, bro, you ain't naked no more.
Come on, man.
Roll out. Let's go. Where these niggas at anyway, man? 95s, right? Well, what these
Despite how tough you are, whoever you are, people say you can't do this, you can't do that, and I have eventually done what I had to do, and just,
taking drugs?
Yeah.
Testing 1 2 1 2 testing. Boy, what do I say? We've been gone for a month. Where do we start? Where do we start? Testing 1 2. Where do we start? I guess, damn, I sound loud. How y'all doing? Hope you've all been well. Got the coffee on the pot. It's been 3 weeks since I've been in a trade. Maybe even 4. Man, time has flown by. And sometimes your boy, your friend, just likes to stick his head in the sand because he gets tired of all these people and things. But we're just getting warmed up here. We got a lot to talk about. But we're not going to tell you anything valuable. And there's no reason you should listen until the end of the video. So please watch all of my shit video. Wait till the end. And then maybe I'll tell you something of value. Just kidding. I'll be right back. Yeah. All right, folks. Man, how we doing? How we doing? How are we doing? I feel like we're on a first date. I feel like I'm nervous. I don't know where to start. Thought about even just making a video, because it's a lot easier just to grand belay a bunch of shit about Armageddon and the end of times, which is the videos I prefer to make, are videos of the ends of times. I wouldn't say I prefer them, but they are some of my favorite. Maybe I'll make a video after the stream or something, or have my guys chop it up. And we'll take a look at the charts and shit, I guess, but what the fuck are we doing? What a fucked up world we missed you too. I missed you guys too. And yeah, man, I've just chilling. We're just chilling. Doing the same things I've been doing. And really, I haven't boy, how about that Chinese Chong out of all of the patterns to break the spine of all these innocent young men, young women, old women, NFT thoughts, and all these monkey picture Twitter people. The pattern to rule them all. There is one pattern in Bitcoin that rules all of not just Bitcoin, but all of crypto, and it is pegged here. It was discovered here, right here. You and me. The Chinese Ching Chong, an ancient Eastern Chinese pattern that is prevalent in the financial instrument that we come to know as today as Bitcoin. And it has whacked people pretty fucking good. And if it's not over, it's going to be even more. Don't tell me my voice is low, bro, because it is loud as fuck. Turn your speakers up. Folks, if you haven't learned about the Chinese Chong, if you haven't been at this channel for 7 years, 6 years, however long it's been, if you have not added this pattern to your little pattern book, then you should, because it is real. And this is an amazing example of reality. Also, how about them yellow X's on the 2 hour? Bada bing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom! Shit. Boom! Foretelling a heavy splash. You know, I haven't, when I say I haven't traded in 3 weeks, I haven't bothered to even look at a chart in 3 weeks. Well, I guess I've grazed Bitcoin a little bit here and there. But, you know, I don't think my people needed me. I've said what I had to say. I've said my thoughts on what I believe, what I think I know, what I don't. Yeah, Joe, I remember. Now, so yeah, it's, we, took some time off, which, I always find very important. Now, the world's in a messed up place. And as I am sitting here in this profitable trade, all it is really just a game of catch up to how bad things are and how bad things are probably going to continue to get while I'm eating this drumstick. This drumstick used to be, well, about 4 times bigger than it is. You know, I talked about this drumstick Nestle issue. I'm not going to call it a conspiracy because it is a real issue. The price of sugar went up 30% in 2 years. And it is the main ingredient for a lot of candy and shit out there. One of those being the Nestle caramel filled drumstick, and it shrunk 30%. I'm eating and I'm looking at this drumstick today. And I'm pretty sure it's gone down another 20%. So let's take a look at sugar, because I have never in my life been able to just take the whole top of the ice cream off with one foul swoop. And I just did it like nothing. So let's take a look at what sugar. How bad is sugar? How much is sugar around? Oh my lord, this guy has a lot. Okay, 2020, November 2020. Oh my god, I'm right! I'm right! I'm right! I'm right! This is the second time drumsticks have been... Wow! Wow. It was at 30%, and they slashed the size of drumsticks down 30%. I am here telling you live that this drumstick is now the size, the cone is now the size of my thumb, and it's smaller than even the smaller cut. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this shit. Wow. And you know what? It tastes like shit. I can tell they're even getting worse sugar. I'm never ordering this shit again. There. I had to wash that. Yeah, man, that did not taste good. I had to wash it down with some delicious barbecue potato chips. Shrinkflation is real, man. Wow. They have definitely slashed the size of Nestle drumsticks. Not once 30%, twice 30%. Anyways. I'm gonna have to make a video about price action and all that because I haven't done one in a month. And so that's not what this stream's necessarily about. I'm not here making a video on this stream, but we are going to take a look at things here. Taking a look at the weekly. Well, what I'll say is, yeah, hang on a second. I need to let me open my window. I'll be right back. Testing 1 2. Damn, Dave Lee, that's messed up, man. Well, I hope that doesn't, you know, we don't know too many words in Chinese here, and so, don't let us calling, Chong the Chong pattern. I believe Chong is a real word in Chinese. But fuck those guys. And I hope you're, you know, you're, good, you turned out okay. In fact, you should be proud. You should be a proud Chinese. If I was not American, I would be Chinese. So, taking a look here at the weekly. Momentum wave obviously clipping over here. You got your money flow that, yes, was coming up. money flow was coming up, but it is inward curved right now. You know, I haven't traded for the past 3 weeks because everything looks bland. And it was exactly that, bland and boring. You became a Marine, Judo Black, that's fucking awesome. Who'd you wrestle for, if you don't mind me asking? Did you wrestle for the Marines, bro? You wrestled for that Marine? Never did judo, but I was a wrestler back in the day. We are at 20% from this little local top, by the way. We are at 20%. Do or die situation. It's always a do or die situation. Deep in the red. Weekly gotten over. RSIs gapped on the weekly. And you know, folks, that's just how it's gotta be. I mean, what the hell do people expect? This thing just to go up right now? That's what people always expect, I suppose. Or whatever to go down right now. Let me give you both scenarios. You know, guys, we're going to go over the bearish and we're going to go over the bullish scenario. How does that sound? Ooh-wee, the 2-week looks even worse. The question on the weekly is, you know, is this going to come down? Is the view up going to continue? Is the money flow going to turn over? Those are the questions on the weekly. If you care about the long-term stuff like that. I kind of do not. But we want to take it in for the environment. We're identifying the environment. Thick VWAP, yellow wave on the bottom, momentum. Still the gates are open on the momentum. Bad news coming out. You know, I think it's a good time for it was a good day to come back and do a stream or enter a trade. You know, there's a couple waves with government stuff, some politicians talking about some shit. You guys don't need me to tell you. You've already gotten all your news from crypto. I'm not the guy to get your crypto news from. Oversold. I do not want to hear those words. I tell you, the last thing you want to pay attention to, and I'm not making fun of you, bro, but what is the number one rookie mistake in trading crypto? What is the number one indication fuck up that people make in crypto when they start out, especially, and many of them when they, for a long time too? There's a couple. I got a couple top ones for you. I'm going to let you guys guess. Oversold. The RSI being oversold. That's number one, if not it. The only thing that compares to it is Head and Shoulders. Early people that are new into Bitcoin and crypto into trading. But it's oversold. But it's a Head and Shoulders. They'll turn anything into a Head and Shoulders, and they'll find any time frame that says it's oversold, and they are fucked. I know I know oversold. Yeah, no, I'm not making fun of you, bro. RSI is gonna be very deceiving. That's why Market Cipher had. That's why I have two conjoined in one, because most of the time they're not. They're most of the time one RSI is basically saying one thing and the other one's not saying it nearly as strong. But when they're both together, that's when it's much stronger. That's the strategy with both R. These are two separate. If you're new, these are two separate RSIs, but they're just color coded. The color changes when the two lines technically cross and go from oversold to overbought to overfund to overcaught. Three-day, November 21, December 21. November. Oh boy, you're gonna make me work. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? The 3-day. We're on the 3-day. November 21, December 21 is the same pattern as now. We dropped around. So you talking about this, brother? November 21 and December 21. So there's a pattern in here, you say. We'll zoom in, and it's supposed to be the same as. I'm not really seeing it, but I'll zoom in for you, buddy. It's definitely going down. The price is going down. That's for damn sure. Price is going down. How much is in the short? Just a little 2 milli. Withdrew from the account. Fucking started back at 500 ish. I think 550, 500. I don't know what's it at right now. 740. I'm up 157 unrealized. 1.9 million 454. Should have done more. Could have done more. And it's probably going to continue to do so. That's just how it is. Dang, nice head and shoulders. That's funny. Okay, so you're talking about this, bro? Here, let me hear. Are you talking about the sideways Chinese Chong? This is a Chinese Ching, excuse me. The Chong is on the 4th. So right now it's a Ching. Are you telling me you think there's going to be... Actually, this is a very nice find, actually. There, if there's one more kind of impulse wave, this is a slanting ancient Chinese Death Star. And Bitcoin repeats its same patterns on all time frames. So it was the Chong on the 2 hour, the 4 hour that cracked Bitcoin down, and everyone's hope of it going to wherever from 25,000 down 20% to where it is now. So that would make sense. I don't know if that's what you were kind of... I don't know if that's what you were looking at, but let's go back and take a look one more time. I know you said the 3-day, but the 3-day and show I'm not. It's the candles are too. You know, I mean, it's going down, and you know, it can only make so many shapes. The price goes up and down. The price is always doing this. You know, so, but, you know, whatever. Let's see here. Chinese Ching Chong. It Chinese Ching Chonged. You're right. There's Chinese Ching Chongs everywhere. And what we're seeing is just more of the same. More of the same. So we can expect more of the same. Anyways, thanks for your donation. Always a charity. The 4-hour double yellow X's, the first two X's, are always the strongest. Not always, but many of a time, you see them two yellow X's. You see one, you better be careful. You see two, oh shit, banged it. The indicator they said couldn't exist. An indicator that leads and foretells whale movement. Beautiful, looks beautiful on the 2 hour with 4. Bing, 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 bong. The lower time frames, like I said, I took 4 weeks off, you know, from YouTube, from trading, from crypto, from whatever. Damn, what do we have here? What is this? Okay, it's 25 minutes. What is this? The 6 hour. Got our spider line approaching right here. Maybe it'll come back up and stick to it at 20,500, 20,600. Maybe not. Little VWAP coming in here. Yeah, you know, what's going on with the Dixie? I haven't looked at the Dixie in a month. The Dixie's back at 105. Way to go, Dixie. Money flow is how much money is in that flow of the asset pair. How much is there? How much is there? Is there? It's like volume. Is there $1,000 of total of people trading Bitcoin to the US dollar and to some shit coin to another shit coin? The more people, the more money in it, naturally price does go up. Just like water to a garden, I say. That's all. Don't it's what are we looking at here? The 20-minute? Oh, this is the Dixie. Damn, I was looking at it, I thought this was Bitcoin. I was like, fuck. We might need to get out. What's going on with gold? Gold get crammed back. I'm guessing gold is back in the 1800s. I'll give it the benefit of the doubt and say I'll say 18. Oh man, it would be so funny if it was like 1865, 75. I'm gonna say 1885 gold. What are we at? Oh my gosh, poor gold really getting shit on. 1829. Lol. Halal. Everyone who thought gold was gonna just somehow go back up and break 2,000, which it never will. Halal. Listen. This run up from 16,000 had everything right. This was a primo opportunity that should have been taken advantage of, and if it wasn't, there will be another. I was recorded on someone else's show saying exactly what I'm about to repeat, and I said it on this show too, and that is the beautifulness of the curvature. What I said, I was with Joe Saz's little show. I said, Joe, if Bitcoin's gonna have pump, if we're gonna pump, if Bitcoin is going to pump, this is what it looks like. It is very beautiful. It is symmetrical, and it has the curvature. It is no different than a piece of ass or a nice, succulent pair of tits. Smooth, soft curvature. And I hope nobody's family's watching at the middle of the night right now. But be that as it may. Now, yeah, and hey, listen, again, I did not short the top. I haven't been in a trade in a month, so I'm not sitting here saying I wish I did, but honestly, that shit took, I don't even wish I did. I take that back. I don't care. Don't care. It would have been cool. But it's all good. This shit took so long. Look how, this was so long. Oh man, that was a long 4 days. It was this one that was long before a crackdown too. Long. Oh. Man, these are the bear market steps down. Ooh, that is some bear market shit. Icon-a-sheet candles make everything look smooth. They make it look smoother. Smoother. Okay. Look at regular candles. This is regular candles. This is Icon-a-sheet. It looks pretty damn smooth with regular candles to me. Pretty damn smooth. Let's enhance. That is smooth. Regular candles, very smooth. Don't need Icon-a-sheets to see that. But it helps. Appreciate y'all being here. I know my when you're not active for a month, you get notched down the YouTube algorithm list. And you guys out there trading? What are you guys doing? You guys trading right now? Who's trading right now? What are you doing? You long? You short? Have you been long? Have you been short? Are you losing your money? Are you making money? Are you out of control? Are you in control? Are you getting caught in blenders? because that's what happens in times like these, man. Yeah, these are the little blender times where the price action is not as jagged. You know, what's the word I'm looking for, lack of a better term? You know, people crank up that leverage, flop and grope when it goes against them, switch it, lose it, flop and grope again, lose it, switch it, lose it. Short of 2250. You know, I know a lot. You know what? You know what's beautiful? I tell you, we're almost a victim of our own success. We're paranoid in our own success because we are a minority. We're not afraid to short. And so to us, it's just like taking candy from a baby. But for the rest of the world, they really, 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 really struggle to short. And that's even underputting it. They do not short. Harry McFlanagan and Paula Dean McFlanagan, their retirement accounts 99% of the time don't have a piece of short paper in them. Holders do well in the long run, though. Some of them do, some of them don't. It depends on what you're holding long term, brother. How many stocks, how many cryptos have started out and went to shit and never ended up being anything for eternity? Most of them. Most of them. I kind of disagree with you, bro. I disagree with you. For the majority. I'm talking majority in crypto, at least. But you're right. You're also right. It depends. It just depends. It depends. It depends. If you held Bitcoin, if you had Bitcoin and saving your Bitcoin, then maybe if you bought the pizza with the Bitcoin, that's a happy pizza man. He's not working at Papa John's anymore. I'll tell you that. Yeah, folks. I don't know what else. What else is going on with you guys? Man, I ain't got no thoughts on any current events in crypto, bro. Like I said, for the past month, my head has been in the sand. Tell you a tale, man, Killer Joe was on TV. You want to talk about a tale? That's a good movie. It's a good story. Good movie. Great movie. Killer Joe. A retainer. You can offer little Dottie a retainer. When he gives the chicken thigh with the chick, man, that scene with the chicken thigh. Man, don't be telling me MT Gox is releasing shit tomorrow. I don't believe it. MT Gox release. It's been delayed 100 times. It's delayed again. Okay. Deadline moved March. Kicks off distribution. 2 hours ago, MT Gox first distribution planned for 2025, April. Oh, just kidding. I just made it up. Just made it up. Just made that up. I am kidding. What am I looking up here? Are they really? I don't believe them. So what else is going on? So the Voyager shit, okay, you know what I wanted to say in my video too, and I'll say it now, but man, these crypto companies are fucking stupid. They are so stupid from the top down. Man. The fact that they had so much trust. I mean, all these crypto companies held everything. I mean, just, if not everything, 90% of all of their assets in crypto. Those fools. Those fools. Thank God they are still allowed to fail before they get too big to fail. I should create a crypto face exchange. Listen, man. As much as, I would, anyone would enjoy making the kind of money an exchange makes you, especially in crypto. But that is a dicey business to be in, especially depending on where you're from. On the crypto face exchange, you know what I would do? I'd say everything's free, assholes. Just pay like $50 a month or something. But that probably wouldn't work. I'm just talking out of my keister right now. Actually, free things tend to be junk, especially software and bullshit in this business, especially any business. From planet Earth. Yeah, no, I believe it. So what? So how much of it are they distributing? What do you know the details, bro? What releasing it all, or is there phases? There has to be phases. I mean, there has to be phases. I can't believe how long that has gone on for. Does anyone know anyone that's supposed to be receiving some MT Gox Bitcoin? Man, never trade Cross. Cross is a trap. There is no point. Oh, let's take a look at ETH. BitBoy supposed to be getting something from MT Gox? No way. No way. Really? You know, BitBoy's ass is going to be running for mayor here soon. He'd be wearing cowboy hats in Congress and shit, talking to these people. I bet $10,000 in the next 10 years he is going to run for some type of public office official appointment. I think his ass is gonna run for mayor of fucking Wilfred, Wyoming, wherever he lives. Solano analysis, absolutely. You know what I like about Solano is, man, I can't believe people in crypto, people who've been around, people that I like, some people, I like very few, but some of the very few that I do like, they're like, Solano's dead. So they said Solano was dead. Do you want to see a dead coin? What was the name of was it Argon? What was the name of the worst coin that we always laugh at and destroyed partially ourselves? It wasn't Algo, was it? It was Amp. Thank you, bro. Amp. Okay. Do you want to see a dead coin? Jesus Christ, this is not the coin. This is alive and healthy. Alive and healthy. Oh my God, I should have invested in this. Now don't be fooled, because the only reason this is up is because it really can't go below 0 and no one is buying it. There is no volume. I bet you this was about $5,000. Someone bought $5,000 and pumped the shit out of the price with $5,000. But boy, I tell you what, and it's extremely dangerous, but if you did maybe DCA, that's just for shits and giggles here. What is this, up 5,000%, 73%? Not even worth it, dude. This shit's a joke. 1945. Let's go back down. Let's take a look at the lower time frames. Let's take a look at the lower choppy ass time frames. Deep in the red. Deep. Man, the momentum, the money flow is just dragging it down. And you know we are in a bear time when the slightest amount of increase in money flow still doesn't get shit out of the price. I mean, technically, yes, the price did go up, but absolutely barely. When we are in these bear trends, we like to short the mini teeny weeny teeny greens. When it's the opposite, you short the mini teeny reds. That's it. Privacy coins, of course, Monero or whatever. Privacy coins, absolutely. There has to be, if you really want true, in my opinion, crypto face. Crypto face isn't, here's my data face. Oh, here's the wallet, you can see all kinds of shit on my wallet now. Here you go. Durr. Let me just fucking show my bank account to everyone I send money to. What a stupid thing. That is stupid. Privacy coins are smart. Where I can send you 100 grand, and if I don't remember those 8 stupid words that you gave me or write them down wrong, that money's lost. Pure anonymity. Other than that, folks, that's about it. We're here for a good time, not a long time. I don't know if I'm even on mute. Am I on mute right now? Thank God. I guess we're just gonna call it from here. Listen, folks, I know I've been gone, and we all should take breaks. So we're in this bitch. You never know. Right after a stream, I could exit the whole damn thing and flip long. You ain't gonna know. So don't ask me. Don't ask me. But man. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna call the stream. I'm gonna take a little break. Maybe play some League or something with the girlfriend. Then maybe I think it's I gotta make a video. But I wanted to hang out with you guys. Love y'all, and we'll stay in touch. Wish me luck. I wish you luck. good luck. And God bless you. May Jesus Christ protect you and bless you. All of us. Thank you.